MSMEs and consumers in Cebu that are going through difficulties due to the COVID-19 pandemic will now be able to avail of business and personal loans online through Right Choice Finance digital business platforms. Its latest product, the Human Resource Information System, allows companies to centralize and streamline their HR tasks in an automated experience to reduce manual labor. RCF hopes this would help the Cebu business sector bounce back from its setbacks encountered during this pandemic to slowly revive economic growth.
Our entire focus across our brands is to help small and medium-sized businesses to thrive. That's what we're geared around. All of our products and services are there to facilitate the growth, daily operations, and expansion of small and medium-sized businesses. So we think we're really providing a need now, especially as companies try to rebound from the post-pandemic period. And we want to be there to lend our assistance to all the Cebuanos and their efforts there in the city.